peek one into the spa. First we're going to need a lippard or AO wall fitting, and you want to place it on the spa. You want to find a flat spot where it's going to fit. You want to double check on the back side that when you drill this hole out that you're not going to be drilling into anything else. So here's a good spot for us. We need a 3-inch hole saw. So we're going to drill a pilot hole. So we're going to go right about there. Drill a pilot hole first. Place the hole saw on. Drill our hole. Good. Put silicone all the way around, fitting. Run your finger at a 45-degree angle all the way around. Get all the air pockets out. Once we tighten up the nut on the AO wall fitting and clean up silicone on the front, we've got to glue in our 2-inch by 3/4 inch reducer into the back of the AO wall fitting. So this is our 2-inch by 3/4 inch reducer glued into our back of our AO wall fitting. Alright, now we're going to install our 2-port Clark manifold into our pressure line coming off pump 1. So as you can see, it's a Y, and on the 2-port there it says OZ. So you want to make sure that your 3/4 inch line is coming off the OZ part of the Clark manifold. As you can see inside, the OZ side has a little scoop in there. It helps water flow go towards the peak jet. Also, our Mazzy gets installed after the Clark manifold. I don't know if you can see there, there's a flow arrow pointing that way. We want to make sure the flow is going away from the pump towards the mixing chamber. Show it. So this is what it looks like installed into the pump. We just tied it into our pressure line before our manifold, right after our ball valve. Then we have a chunk of 3/4 inch hose, which goes to our Mazzy injector, and we have a chunk that's going to be going to our mixing chamber. Alright, this is our mixing chamber. So on the top of our chamber, we are coming from the pump, so the water flow is going to go into the top of the mixing chamber, and the bottom is going towards our AO wall fitting that we just installed. So now we take our 1/4 inch clear line hose, and we want to make a little Hartford loop, just 2 little loops, and we want to place it high up in the lip as possible so water can't backflow through this loop. So we place it, find a spot, place it up high as possible. We take one side of the hose, which is going to go to our Mazzy injector, and then the other side is going to run to our AO generators, peak generators. What our peak generators look like. We just got to find a corner in the spa that we can install these, and yeah, there's 2 of them installed. It's going to be a T. This is where our 1/4 inch clear line from our Mazzy injector is going to hook up to this line right here.